Kung katulad ko kayo, malamang hindi ninyo masyadong iniisip ang wiper blades until they start leaving streaks or squeaking. But believe me, choosing the right wiper blades can make a big difference sa visibility and safety kapag umulan. Good day! This is Chan of Chan Limited Life, but today, we are taking a closer look at the Bosch Aero Twin Wiper Blades. Kamusta ang performance ng hagod nito? Sulit naman ba sa presyo? Nga pala, meron tayong sorpresa sa mga loyal subscribers natin. Panoorin nyo lang tong video para sa buong mechanics. Lahat ng yan at marami pang iba. Pero bago natin simulan mga ka-Chanli, eto muna! Since 1920s, Bosch Philippines Automotive plays a crucial role sa local automotive industry by providing advanced technology solutions, manufacturing capabilities, and support services that contribute to the overall efficiency at safety ng vehicles sa Pilipinas. At isa nga sa most popular product ng Bosch sa Pilipinas ay ang kanilang wiper blades. Sa katunayan, ilang beses ko nang nasubukan ang ilang wiper models nila at masabi kong sulit naman ito sa presyo. This time, yung mid-spec wiper blade naman ang itatry natin. Ito nga yung Bosch Aero Twin Wiper Blade. Mas mahal ito kaysa sa Bosch Clear Advantage at mas mura naman kaysa sa Bosch Silicone Wiper Blade. Nga pala, para sa detailed discussion ng iba't ibang klase ng wiper blades, pwede nyo i-click yung video card sa upper right corner ng screen. Bosch Aero Twin Wiper Blade. Ito yung ilan sa mga features ng Bosch Aero Twin Wiper Blade. Number 1. Intelligent Adapter System allows for quick and easy wiper blade replacement. Mamaya ipapakita natin yung step-by-step replacement ng Bosch wiper blade. Number 2. Aerodynamic Spoiler limits wind resistance and wiping noise. Number 3. Customized spring strips made from Evodium steel provide uniform windscreen contact and wiping stability even at high speeds. Number 4. Patented Power Protection Plus Rubber Technology ensures outstanding wiper performance and long service life. Bosch Aero Twin Wiper Blades feature an innovative flat-based design that ensures optimal pressure distribution and aerodynamics. Nakakapag-provide ito ng efficient wiping for a clearer windshield and quiet operation kahit malakas ang ulan. Bosch Aero Twin Wiper Blade Replacement. First, itaas muna natin ang wiper arm para mas madali ang pagtanggal ng blade. Iangat lang ang lock gamit ang daliri o kuko hanggang maramdaman mong lumuwag ito. Then, itulak bahagi ang wiper hook at dahan-dahang ihiwalay ito mula sa wiper blade. Sa pagkabit naman, make sure na tamang sukat ng Bosch Aero Twin Wiper Blade ang ikakabit natin. Kung medyo nalilito ka, yung mas mahabang wiper ang nasa driver side. I-press lang ang gilid para umangat ang cover ng connector. Then, i-hook ang wiper blade sa arm at hintayin ng click sound. Ibig sabihin, nag-lock na ang arm at blade. Ibalik ang cover ng connector at dahan-dahang ibaba ang wiper sa windshield. Ulitin ang procedure sa kabilang wiper. Kapag tapos na, itest na natin. Mag-spray tayo ng wiper fluid sa windshield, then i-switch on ang windshield wipers para makita kung maayos silang gumagana. Before we continue, kung may questions, suggestions, or clarifications kayo tungkol sa content natin today, pakipost lang sa comment section ng video na to. Huwag nyo rin kalimutang mag-like, subscribe at i-click ang bell icon sa ating Chan Limited Life YouTube channel, TikTok at Facebook page para updated ka palagi sa mga fresh contents natin. Ito naman ang ilang videos ng Bosch Aero Twin Wiper Blades sa iba't ibang rainy driving conditions. First, yung performance sa ambon o mahinang pag-ulan lamang. Ang pag-wipe sa moderate o katamtamang lakas ng ulan. Tas eto naman ang paghagod sa heavy o torrential rain. Finally, ang rainy night video using Bosch Aero Twin Wiper Blade. Around 1,700 pesos ang isang set ng Bosch Aero Twin Wiper Blade. Depende ang presyo sa sukat o haba ng blade. Medyo pricey than usual entry-level wiper blade sa market, pero noticeable naman ang kaibahan ng paghagod nito sa windshield. Mas efficient at mas wabe ang bawat hagod, ramdam mong pantay yung pressure sa wiper blade kaya ang ganda ng lapat. Tahimik din ang paghagod, wala yung annoying loud sound pag medyo matagal nang ginagamit. I've been using the Aero Twin wiper blade for a month now at I'm really impressed sa performance ito. Reliable at effective ito sa need ko, but of course, don't just take my word for it. Subukan mo rin and see how they work for you. At kung gusto mo ring matry ang Bosch Aero Twin wiper blade, today is your lucky day. Our friends from Bosch Philippines agreed na mamigay ng 3 set ng Bosch Aero Twin wiper blade sa 3 lucky subscribers ng Chan Limited Life YouTube channel. Ito ang complete raffle mechanics. To enter the contest, number 1, like, follow, and subscribe to Chan Limited Life and Bosch Philippines on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Number 2, like and share the Bosch Aero Twin wiper blade review video by Chan Limited Life on YouTube. Number 3, comment on the YouTube video with your vehicle's year, model, and your city or province. For example, 2024 Toyota Vios, Cavite. Only 1 comment per YouTube account is allowed. Eligibility: open to Filipino residents of the Philippines only. Timeline: the raffle runs for 2 weeks from the premiere date of the video. Winners will be drawn randomly during a live stream on YouTube. Prizes: 3 winners will be selected randomly to each receive a Bosch Aero Twin wiper blade set based on the vehicle year and model commented. Please note, this contest is not sponsored by YouTube. Chan Limited Life is responsible for all aspects of the contest and prize distribution. Chan Limited Life reserves the right to disqualify any entry at its discretion. For additional details, refer to YouTube's terms and conditions link in the video description. Kaya don't miss out, like, share, and comment for your chance to win a Bosch Aero Twin wiper blade set. Ayun lang! I hope na nakatulong itong video na to. Thank you for watching this content. Don't forget to like and subscribe sa ating Chan Limited Life YouTube channel and follow my Facebook and TikTok accounts for more related contents. Hanggang sa susunod mga ka-Chanli! Drive safely! Ingat!